Have you ever seen that guy or girl in the gym when they constantly look in the mirror, they work on their mirror muscles, right? They're trying to build their biceps, their chest, their abs, but when you look at their back, it's not developed, or you look at their legs, they're not developed. These are called the vanity muscles, right? The mirror muscles. One of my buddies once told me, we neglect the things that we cannot see. And I think that's a very, very powerful statement. In life, in business, in relationships, whatever your blind spots are, making sure you become more aware of them, so your life doesn't become imbalanced, so your body doesn't become imbalanced, so your business and your relationships don't become imbalanced. It's really, really important to understand the push and pull, the ebb and flow of life in whatever you're doing. So make sure your vision is clear. Make sure you're not getting distracted by the mirror muscles, and you go all in developing a well-rounded body, mind, and business.